This is Duke University.
DukeREP stands for Duke Research and Engineering Program. It's a 7-week summer program for rising juniors and seniors, particularly students who are economically disadvantaged or who are from underrepresented groups in STEM. And the goal of DukeREP is to expose our students to research and engineering in the hopes of encouraging them to pursue academic or professional careers in STEM down the line, and also to prepare them for the college application process.
DukeREP was founded by 5 Ph.D. students in the biomedical engineering department. We started with just 4 high school students in our department and then expanded to including 13 high school students across 3 different departments in the Pratt School of Engineering.
High school students are at a junction in their lives where they're making a lot of really important decisions about their future, like whether or not they're going to attend college, what they're going to major in college. So it seemed like a good time to expose them to research so that they can gain an understanding of what it means to be a scientist, what it means to have a PhD, and what research in a university lab entails. Because when I was a high school student, I didn't necessarily truly understand what all of those things meant. At the beginning of the program, we match our students with a lab in the Pratt School of Engineering. And within that lab, we pair them with either a graduate student or a postdoc mentor who helps them with their research project throughout the 7 weeks. And then at the end of the program, each student prepares a poster that they get to present at a poster session that's open to the public. So they get to invite their friends and family to attend as well. And it's a really great time for everyone and great getting to see the wide range of projects that our students are working on.
Students at this point in their high school career have learned a lot, but might not necessarily have applied all that they've learned, and more importantly, might not know the different applications for what they've learned. So when they come to Duke, they are in the face of a lot of different avenues for all the material that they have learned so far. And one of the coolest parts is watching the students take that curiosity and run with it.
And then in addition to the research that our students are engaged in full-time, we also have them attend a range of seminars and workshops that are geared towards preparing them for the college application process. So for example, we have a seminar that's held by the Duke College Advising Corps that teaches our students about all the different parts of the college application process. We also have professional skills development workshops that are held by the Career Center here at Duke, where students get to draft their resumes, they get to present their interview skills as well as their written and oral communication skills. And then finally, we have a panel every year of undergraduate students from all the different engineering departments so that our high school students can get to engage with them and get to ask them any questions that they may have about their experience as an undergraduate in engineering.
So when we started DukeREP, our primary goal was to create this opportunity for the high school students who'd be participating in the program. But an outcome that we didn't really anticipate the magnitude of was the impact it had on the mentors.
What I've come to realize is that for the graduate students and the postdocs who are volunteering to mentor the high school students throughout the program, this is an excellent opportunity to practice a lot of really important skills for a scientist. So aside from mentoring skills, of course, another skill that comes to mind is being able to communicate your work to a wide audience and being able to take a really complex concept and being able to simplify it and explain it in such a way that a high school student can understand it. I've learned that these programs benefit the high school students and the mentors as well. And overall, they create a spirit of mentorship in the department or in the school, and they also kind of keep everyone thinking about the importance of promoting diversity and inclusion in STEM fields.